this another test which conducted at the room temperature with the distance of 1000 meters. You can see the distance has two effect on the wear phenomena, and you can see a lot of plastic deformation associated with the delamination. Again, the distance is also having the effect, and you can observe mild grooves, and in the road alloy you can see more surface fractures because over brittleness, high hardness of the surface, less micro cracks, and compared to this welded metal composite, the road composite proved to be the better specimen. Whereas in case the range of explosive conditions. Along with this, we conducted the comparative analysis of the solid lubricants contribution to the wear mechanism or wear phenomena, where we used the same. So hybrid metabolic composites can be prepared with different types of hard reinforcement and solid lubricants, including rare earth elements based materials. Statistical analysis can be ACT RPS. I gratefully acknowledge the support and help of the ACT RPS New Delhi in this research and presentation of this work. That is the order reference number under which we have been sanctioned the project. It is due to my guide. He is the principal investigator for this research proposal, and myself co-investigator. The total amount sanctioned was 17,32,334 rupees. Recurring was 16 lakh plus. Non-recurring. Recurring we didn't claim at all. Another 1,60,000 since we purchased within this fund. The 3 machines were procured under ACT RPS project that are available in our campus. So bottom pouring steel casting equipment from SWAM Equipment Chennai, high temperature wear testing machine from Ducom Instruments Private at Bangalore, and double-headed rolling mill from Machine Tool Traders Mumbai. So these 3 machines were procured under this ACT. Without this fund and support, it would have been very difficult for me to complete this one. So I extend my acknowledgements, my special thanks. I want to express my profound thanks to my dear guide, Dr. Basarajappa. Without his support, it was impossible for me to complete this work. He has guided me in all the areas where I need to focus, where I need to observe all these things. I thank specially to Dr. Gurti sir for having come all the way from Manipal in conducting this examination. My doctoral committee members also to be thanked without forgetting Dr. Pittasamy Ekpote sir, Dr. Prasanna Kumar sir, Dr. Irapal Sarva sir, and Dr. Manjappa sir, R&D, for their continuous support and guidance to me in carrying out my research work. I am highly grateful to Dr. D.P. Najappa sir, Principal, Dr. Syed Ahmad sir, then HOD of the department, for having extended the support and facility to me. Special thanks to Sri Annappa Swami, Mission Shop in charge, Sri Gondappa, Sri Murugesh of Mechanical Department for extending their support. Even on holidays they have come and helped me for the experimental work. I especially thank Dr. Bharat sir, who has been the source of inspiration and support for carrying out this work, and not to forget Sri Ajit Joshi, professor in CMIT. He was supposed to be here, but due to someone he is not there. I thank him also for having supported, he has guided, he has supported in all technical aspects when my guide was not there in the campus. So I thank them specially. Again, I should thank all the faculty members. I thank all the faculty members, my colleagues, the colleagues from the other college, friends from other college, Dr. Chetan, and Professor Natraj, Dr. Kalimala sir, Dr. Rajesh sir, and other professor. If I have left any names, please excuse me. Having come and listened to me my presentation, I thank you all for patient listening. Any questions, please you can ask me.
Who is now open for audience? Later, please.
As per the table, you have selected boron, carbide, 10% and
Weight percent.
3%.
Yes, sir.
Is there any specific reason for selection of this composition to prepare this composition?
Yes, sir. We tried with other compositions earlier, and the literature also provides for this combination. And having tested early, prior to the final conclusion of the deciding of the process parameters, we have conducted various castings, and we have seen through the microstructure, optical microscope, and the distribution, the best was obtained through this combination. And even literature also it is provided with this combination, and hence we decided for this promotions.
So some experimentations have been done to avoid this particular.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clearly, lot of work has been done, sir.
And we have done after machining operations.
Yes, sir.
We have done microstructure analysis
Yes, sir.
on the surface characterization.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I wanted to know the surface characterization itself is good enough to characterize the entire material.
No,
Is
sir.
it also necessary to go internal structure of the
Of course, sir. We have to go for.
just to understand?
Yes, sir.
the-
Definitely. We have to analyze subsurface, interface, and all these things, sir.
Okay.
It needs more time, and more material was required.
Okay.
It needed more time. That can be done, sir. But as per my suggestions from the doctoral committee, I restricted my work, sir.
Okay.
I am onto it, sir, actually.
Okay.
That is the reason I took more time, little bit time for concluding. So the interfacial analysis, the compound that is formed, chemical compound formed during the interface, and the grain boundaries, the mechanism, the dislocation mechanism, how the molecular structure will vary, how the atoms will dislocate, how will be removed, how you can remove the voids or the different effects on the surface and subsurface, interfacial situation. All these count for you designing your materials. Ultimately, that will go to a component or a part. That's why I put the piston engine, wherein the contact surfaces, where we have the not only high temperature in the engine cylinder, the liners facing temperature varied temperature situations, and the friction also is contributing to the wear phenomena. To understand, arrive at the right material design, we have to understand the problem, what is failing. We have to arrest or restrict those phenomena to develop a new material for our applications, especially at high temperature. So a lot of issues are there, not only surface, interface, subsurface, and molecular structure, phase structure, lot of issues are there.
Okay. One more just clarification.
Yes, sir.
On the slides, the sliding velocity and wear ratio
Yes.
worked out. When you have done that, it has shown a good relation.
Yes.
Keep on going sliding.
Studying velocity, sir.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, sir. This is the one.
So here also the specific wear rate is very with reference to sliding velocity.
Yes, sir.
But when you have done that
Rolling.
rotation analysis and other things, and you said that the sliding velocity contribution is almost negligible and other things. That value is also not contributing in the equation value,
Yes, sir.
equation formula.
Compared to the other compared to temperature, it is negligible. Not completely cannot deny that effect is not there.
Okay.
Compared with the temperature, the effect of the temperature is more on the wear phenomena, wear mechanism or wear rate than the other. When you see the 4 parameters,
Okay.
the temperature is the most effective one, followed with the load, then sliding distance, then velocity. Velocity is contributing less. That is the reason bigger I mentioned.
There are two persons.
Yes.
What when it comes to physical burning is something, the numbers is something. Physically, when you see what contributing more, when you squeeze the ice, which is low, the contribution of this velocity will be less. Second point, when you look at the numbers, the velocity number is 1.5,
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
low.
Person. One is thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Before concluding, honestly, my contribution to this work is very less. Fortunately, I was not here. Away from
He's a guide. He is a guide.
Second point, divakar has conducted enormous amount of research. Taking some important aspects out of that also made us sort of difficult for us as divakar.
Audience. ಇವನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಜೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಜೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಲಿ
Case of metal-metallic composites is a wide area. So we know that, especially Bhattacharya Professor is the expert in this field. So whenever we are doing a BTech here and now, we know our sir. So we also try to work with sir. Sir is presented nicely. I think Bharat sir told to visit here on the basis of request. I came. So once again, I wish him to divakar sir now, Dr. divakar sir.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Mostly the equipments are here, what divakar has carried out. You can see the equipment which are right from
Yes. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
So I request all of you to join for lunch.